Title: How to make videos with Pictory.ai. No camera needed. Introduction. Pictory is a revolutionary AI tool that transforms text into professional-looking videos automatically. It's perfect for YouTubers, marketers, educators, and anyone who wants to make faceless video content. What is Pictory? Pictory allows you to paste a script, article, or voiceover, and it creates a video with stock footage, background music, and subtitles. No video editing experience required. How to use it: 1. Go to Pictory.ai and sign up for a free trial. 2. Choose your input type: script, article, or voiceover. 3. Pictory generates a full video based on your content. 4. Edit visuals, timing, or text as needed. 5. Export your video. Use cases: YouTube cash cow channels, explainer videos, video ads for social media, educational or corporate presentations. Tips: choose a clear, engaging script. Customize visuals to match your message. Use your own voiceover or try Pictory's voice features. Outro. With Pictory, anyone can create stunning videos without showing their face or touching an editor. It's one of the best tools for AI video creation.